Hi everyone, the topic I am starting now is bearing. Look at it on the board, bearing. We all know how important this bearing is in our everyday life because we use the bearing to know every nook and cranny in this world. We use this bearing to locate any place on the planet Earth. We use this bearing to locate any area in your country, okay? And the bearing uses angle to do that. The angle it uses is in clockwise direction from North Pole or from North Line. Therefore, we say that a bearing is an angle measured in degrees in clockwise direction from North Line, okay? That is how we define this bearing, because before you locate anywhere on this planet Earth, you must use angle to know the place, all right? Now, this bearing now in mathematics, we make use of 4 cardinal points. We make use of 4 cardinal points to solve any question or any problem in the bearing. Even in everyday life, you want to locate anywhere in this world, we make use of these 4 cardinal points, which this one is North Pole, South Pole, East, and West. This one is North, and this one is South, this one is East, and this one is West. And we say that if you want to measure your bearing, you want to measure your bearing, you must start from north and move clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is moving like this. Move like the way clock move, okay? So we must start from north, move to east, then move to south, move to west, then move back to north, all right? And there is very important information for you to know. Every area from north to east is 90 degrees. It is always 90 degrees. From north to east is 90 degrees. From east to south is also 90 degrees. From south to west is also 90 degrees. Then from west to north is also 90 degrees. That means from north to east is 90 degrees. From north to west is 180 degrees. From north, move clockwise to west is 270 degrees. And from north going around to go back to north again is 360 degrees. Therefore, total angle at a point is 360 degrees. Therefore, total angle in bearing, which we will be using, the total angle and the highest angle is 360 degrees, all right? Now and again, we, in this bearing using 4 cardinal points, we always make use of 3 digits in representing our angle in bearing, all right? We use 3-digit numbers to represent our angle in bearing, which is, if we are writing the angle of 25 degrees, we must represent it with 0.25 degrees. Or if we want to write angle 60 degrees, we must represent it with 0.60 degrees. If we want to write 120, this is 120, already 3 digits. If you want to write 360, this is 360 degrees, already 3 digits. 3 digit, all right? That's how we used to represent the angle. Or we can also represent it in another way, like this one. We can represent it, if we don't want to represent it in this form, We also represent our angle in this form, whereby this N stands for north and E stands for west, which we have north, south, west, and east. East. Okay. So we also represent it this way. And this information here means 30 degrees east of north. This information that is N 30 degrees E means 30 degrees east of north. Look at this one. N 60 degrees W means 60 degrees west of north. Look at this one that we represent with S 70 degrees E means 70 degrees east of south. Look at this one again. S 80 degrees W means 80 degrees west of south. That is how we represent them. Then these are the information I want to start with. Then the next topic will be the questions. Next one is the question coming from that. And this question, I will start it from scratch so that if you don't know anything about bearing, you will learn them very, very, very well on this page or channel. All right. So wait for the next video on some simple and important and understanding question you need to know before we move to the technical one. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment on that. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless.